Alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salamu ala rasulihi, Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa ba'd. Welcome to the Hajj Companion video series. The purpose of this video series is to make a short set of recordings about specific topics on Hajj, on the pilgrimage, both the theoretical aspects as well as the practical aspects, the fiqh and the spirituality and the logistics in order to help those pilgrims who are going to be coming from English-speaking backgrounds to make sense of the rituals and rites and the states of the Hajj in a way that is easy, that's accessible, that's organized, and that will help them find exactly what it is that they need quickly and in an efficient way. We ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept from us. Barakallahu feekum. So please do stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, and share this playlist with others. Learn about the Hajj even if you're not going this year, so that the shauq and the longing for it can grow inside of your heart, and so that state reaches critical mass, so that Allah ta'ala invite you as well one of these days. And for those who are going, learn about it so that you can know what to do when you're supposed to do it, rather than wonder about what to do, and you can focus in your heart on what you should be feeling and what your connection is with Allah Ta'ala when you're there. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept from all of us and accept from the Ummah of Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Wa barakallahu feekum. Wa jazakumullahu khairan. Wa salam.